now, what's up, loves? What's up? I am back at y'all with another lock video. So with this video, you guys, I am showing you guys how versatile your locks can be. So if you are a beginner, you're in the beginning stages with your locks, or you are contemplating getting locks and you're not sure if you want to, I just want you guys to know that you can be versatile with your locks. A lot of people feel like once they get locks, they are, like just committed to this particular hairstyle. There's no versatility and you don't have very many options when it comes to styling your hair. But I am here to tell y'all, honey, yes, there are many options, okay? So, as y'all can see by the video, I do have locks. What I have in my hair right now, though, is I have crochet box braids over my locks. So in this video, I am showing you how my loctician installed them. It took her, I don't know, the same amount of time that it takes to install crochet braids anyways, maybe an hour and a half or so. Once I take these down, I am going to get the single box braids over my locks because that is an option as well. If you guys go back and watch my previous video, girl, you will see that I wear wigs over my locks. My locks are short, okay? They're not super short, but I'll incorporate some videos or whatever. But they're not super short. They're probably like here. And the main reason why I do not wear my locks out currently is because I do not like the frizz. My ends are not locked. Although some of my roots and things like that are locked, my ends are not locked. And I do not like the frizz. I do not like that look, so I haven't been wearing my locks out. I do plan on wearing them out once they mature and once I'm more comfortable and satisfied with how they look. But until then, I wear wigs, I wear my crochet braids, and then my box braids as well, just as if I had my regular loose natural hair out. So yeah, just regular crochet. She braided my locks to the back and then attached the crochet. It's a little bit a mess right now because, I just got off work and it is what it is. And I'll incorporate some videos of how I wear my braids or whatever the case may be. But I just wanted to just come show you guys. So if you're contemplating and you're unsure if you want to take that leap and go ahead and join the lock community. Again, I have Microlocs, you guys. Let me say that. I do have Microlocs. I am not sure how well this method will work on traditional locks, but with Microlocs, Sisterlocs, braid locks, your 2-strand twist locks, any of those, I know for sure you can achieve, whatever look or hairstyle you would have achieved prior to you locking your hair. I have been locked for about 7 months now. And again, I'm taking you guys along with me on this journey. So I just want you guys to stay tuned. After the lock portion of the video, the first probably 10 minutes of this video is dedicated to my locks, and then throughout the video I do have some regular vlogging footage because I do vlog. I am a vlogger. But anyways, I do ask y'all to support me, okay? Don't click off the video, okay? As a matter of fact, while I'm thinking of it, go ahead, hit that notification bell, rate, comment, and subscribe so you know when I upload videos, and so that way you can become, one of my, followers, whatever. So anyways, yeah, so hit the notification bell, rate, comment, and subscribe so you know when I upload a video so you do not miss a video, because I plan on taking y'all through this journey with me. Like I said, I'm only 7 months in and I am so excited about my locks. And some people are like, oh, well, why'd you get the locks if you're not going to wear them out? And that is my choice to not wear them out currently. I don't know when I'm going to wear them out, whenever I feel is time. So anywho, with that being said, yeah, so, it is what it is. Like I said, when I take these down, I am going to get the single ones. I was going to get the single ones this time, but I did not have enough time. We were going on vacation, and my appointment was moved in last minute, and it was just a whole hot mess, so I didn't have time to do the single box braids, but I will get those next. And when I say they look just like your regular box braids that you would normally get. So make sure you guys stay tuned for some future footage of that. My next video, I'm also going to be showing you guys some new products that I ordered for my locks. So when I wash them at home and things of that nature, I'm going to show you guys that as well. I do have a little bit of footage of me getting my hair retwisted in this video as well. And my loctician uses the 2-point rotation when she does my retwist. So anyways, I just want you guys to, you know, see this versatility, honey, because yes, it is everything. It is everything. So I was very skeptical, and just, it was such a permanent decision when you decide to lock your hair. So I get it. I totally, absolutely understand, you know, not just jumping in and doing something that you might regret and something that you may not like. So I get that, you know, but I wish I would have made the decision sooner. I have been, you know, contemplating getting my locks and just watching YouTubers and watching lock videos and following Instagrammers that, you know, do locks or have locks and things of that nature. And I've been doing that for about 2 years. And if I would have made the decision a while ago, my hair would be so much more mature and so much further along in the process. But, you know, everything happens when it's supposed to happen, so it's all good. We ain't even gonna worry about that. So yes, baby, this is the best decision that I made. We went to Michigan Adventures not too long ago, and I was able to swim and not worry about my hair. That was one of the most, you know, satisfying moments since I've had my locks, to be able, so of course I didn't have these braids in when we went swimming, and I did not wear a wig, but just to wear my locks and not have to worry about the frizz and just have to worry about my hair after swimming. Like, once you swim, it is what it is. Like, there's nothing, you know what I mean? Anyways, like I said, y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. Make sure you guys check me out. Follow me on Instagram as well at Inspirations by Lati. And, you know, I'm gonna keep y'all posted with this journey. So, all right, y'all. Bye, loves. Deuces. Not bye. We'll say bye at the end of the video. Y'all not gonna leave. Y'all gonna stay. Y'all gonna, okay, yeah. Y'all gonna stay and watch. Okay, I got y'all. That's what's up. This clip is a couple days prior to me getting the crochet braids. I do have my locks under here. So as I was saying before, I do have locks underneath this wig. As you can see, you can't really tell that I have any locks. I usually try, this is my little office, y'all, it's a mess. But anyways, I usually try to braid my hair, my locks down underneath. I'll show you guys how I do that. And anyways, and just throw my wig on. But I will be getting some braids soon in some crochet, which is a option. So that's why I love the versatility of my locks, because I do have options, because at this point I am not comfortable with wearing them out. So at least I do have some options. But anyways, y'all, it's been very eventful. We leave in the water park looking a mess, but it's all good because we just got done swimming. We had fun, and that's all, folks. So I just wanted you guys to see how my hair looked after swimming at the water park. Nothing hectic and not hard to manage at all. So here we are at the salon. My loctician is doing a retwist on my hair, and she's about halfway done or so. But then after she does the retwist, she is gonna she's gonna braid my hair down, my locks down, and then add the crochet to my braided locks. So again, it was a very long process because I did have to get a retie prior to her braiding in the crochet braids. So that is why I decided not to do single box braids this time, because the process would have been extremely and just entirely too long. This clip, I am showing you guys how she braided those down and just showing you part of that process. Loves, hopefully I still have your attention, and if you made it to this part of the video, the vlog, I really appreciate you. Thank you, rate, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at InspirationsByLaT. So this vlog, you guys, I am just showing you guys the outfit of the day. Just very basic jean outfit. I am out running some errands in this vlog. Again, just stay tuned to the end of the video.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550.
I am actually in the parking lot of, just in the process of picking up my prescription contacts, and they don't have them ready. She told me to pick them up Tuesday. It's Friday, and they are still not ready. Apparently, they are on back order. It's a special order for me, so that way, when I have my contacts in, I can see, you know, a far distance, and then I can see up close on my phone as well, because the contacts I have in now, when I'm on my phone, is pretty blurry. I don't wear my contacts every day. I will wear my glasses pretty much throughout the week and wear my contacts when I'm actually doing something, going somewhere on the weekend, trying to look cute, whatever the case may be. But I will wear my contacts more often if I could see with them on, if I could see my phone and just different things. I am situated different right now. Like my car mount is not in here. My car mount is actually in the truck, and I am in the Camaro, so that's why this angle is a little weird. That's one reason why I said I'm not going to be before you long. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to run some more errands. I need to go to the bank. I need to go to the mall and a couple things like that. So I am going to get back with y'all in a minute here, okay? Yes.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, 12 can't really stop, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot, in the yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jigging jams like wholesale, everything must go sell. Hitting with the old well, need 100 million on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best, wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't. It can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop. so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting with the old well. Need 100 milli on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Got 5 on it.
In my hands, took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I'ma cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car cards so you get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. In my hands, took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I'ma cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month.